Okay, Mazda CX-9 oil change due message will not reset. Or CX-5, CX-7, same thing. If you're getting this oil change due message and it won't reset. Okay, so normally we reset the service indicator in these with the center screen through the applications menu. I'll leave a video at the end of this one showing you how to do it that way. But sometimes when you do it that way, even though it resets in the center screen, over this side you still get this oil change due message and it won't reset. Okay, so what we want to do, this is real easy, we're just going to turn the ignition off. Okay, and then we're going to hold down this button here. This is the illumination button for the dash cluster. You're going to hold that down with the ignition off, then turn the ignition on and keep it held down. Okay, so if you've got a push button start, don't have your foot on the brake so that the engine doesn't start, and just press the start button twice. It will turn the ignition on. If it's a key turn, just turn it to the on position. Keep that held down for about 7 seconds. Down here you'll see a little orange triangle appear with an exclamation mark in it. That light will start to flash. When it stops flashing, that's when the reset is done. You can then release the button and turn the ignition off, and when you restart it, this oil change due message will have reset. Okay, so if you have a Mazda CX-7, CX-9, CX-5 where this oil change due message won't reset, this is how you do it. Okay, it's just a different technique for resetting it, which will reset this one as well.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYs at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.